So over here, you can see that I'm on a blank canvas, and on the bottom left hand side, you can see that I got black and white. If I were to go around and take a brush, let's say for example, click and drag this out, you can see that this is what I have. This is the color white. If I were to click on this button right here, click on switch colors and click and drag it, now you can see that black color pops up because black color is on the top. So the one on the top is the foreground color, while the one on the back is known as the background color. So if I were to click on this, then this is what you have. So on the top, on the white, if I were to click on this, then this is what you have. You can go around and then select the color you want. So all I need to do is select the color, and from different option right here, I can go around, select different shade of red, and I can also enter the hex code if I want to. You can select different shades of color. You can click and drag around this slider right here, select the shade, press OK, and there you go. That color is there. Click and drag around, and there you go. You can also add different layers right here. So I'm just going to go for an empty layer, click and drag it, and then that is what you have. So on the left side, you can see that there's this thing as well. So you can see that there's the background color. I can click here and then choose a different color for the background color as well. So I can switch and then draw out with that color as well. And that is how you can work around with the color selection tool inside Pixlr E. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.